Hello, ladies and gents. I find myself needing to replace my bathroom vanity mirror. I like the LED backlit ones with the heater in it, which are supposedly designed for bathrooms. However, I only got about 12 months out of the last one, and since none of these Chinese imported mirrors have IP ratings to let you know whether they're capable of handling wet areas or not, I decided to break down the old one and compare it with the new one. The old one on the left has a cardboard backing, and once I removed that, I quickly realised why it didn't work anymore. Between the power transformer and this little box here that controls the lights, there are no grommets around the wiring. This allows steam and condensed water to pool directly on top of sensitive electronics. In contrast, the new mirror has all its electronics sealed away in a watertight box. So I guess the buyer beware part is if you can't find an IP rating of IP 55 or 56 or 65 or 66, then at least find a mirror that has images of the back of the mirror so you can find out whether or not it looks like it's going to hold up to the job. The next thing is simply to mount the mirror where the old one was. I use a screw and some glue to hold the French cleat in place. Then I've got a pass through here for the cable to the power point below the bench, and she's ready to roll. I've put a link for this mirror in the description below if you're interested in having a look. I couldn't find a mirror with an IP rating on Amazon, but this was the closest I could find to something that looked like it would last the test of time. I hope this video helps you out, and please fire away in the comments if you have any questions.